Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film a no makeup tutorial for you guys today and show you how to look hydrated and just naturally enhanced. So if you guys want to follow, go ahead and follow my lead. You don't have to use the exact same products, but if you have them, good for you. So first thing we're going to do is put some concealer under the eyes so that way we don't look tired. And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Light Medium. And I'm just going to put that under the eyes. Now there's no makeup thing. It could be like you want to be comfy but you still want to look kind of cute and you want to look awake, or you want to look a little hydrated and just a little enhanced and awake if you're like going to school or a meeting and you just don't want to like be super done up. And for the powder, we'll be taking the e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium on a travel-sized powder brush. And we're just going to pat the powder underneath the eyes. And this will like brighten your face up a little bit in the center and just make you look a little bit more awake, which is always nice. And like if you're running late, it's also good because then it just looks like you're just a little bit more advanced than everybody else and more awake. You look bright-eyed and you just look like you're ready for the day. Alright, so we're going to do some blush. And this blush is by Tarte in the shade Quirky. And we're going to be taking a blush brush and we're just going to lightly put that on the cheeks just so you look like your face has some life. I prefer like the apples of the cheeks and then just kind of like pat it around in that area and then you get something like that. This whole tutorial is basically to show you how to look more awake with makeup, but like not so much that you can tell you're wearing it. And I do this a lot actually. I don't really like to be glam all the time because being glam all the time is not really all that fun unless I'm like actually going out and doing something, but even then sometimes I'll just go with this look. Alright, so eyebrows. We're gonna not do the like bold brows, of course, because it's a no makeup look. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your brow stuff in whatever brand. For me, it's the e.l.f. in the shade Light because I grabbed this by accident, but that's fine. And we're just gonna use the powder and like comb it through and all of that fun stuff to make it look a little bushy and natural. Brush your eyebrow hairs all the way out so that way there's like more oomph, I guess you could say. And obviously follow your natural pattern. You don't want to create a whole new brow on top of your already natural brows. You're going to want to take an angled brush, a small one preferably, so they're not big and bold, and just go with your natural brow line. And you're going to want something like that. And you don't want to put your powder on too heavy either. You kind of want a light hand. And then you want to go back in with your spoolie and brush it out. And then brush it back down to your natural brow shape. Now, in some no makeup tutorials, they'll like put on some like eyeshadow or like bronzer or something in their like crease. No. If you want a no makeup look, don't put anything like shadowy on your eyes. Just do mascara because it'll wake you up a bit. And what you're going to want to do is just put it from like before my camera died, what I was saying was you're going to want to put mascara on and it'll like wake you up. And for the mascara we're going to be using today is the Ciate Wonder One in the shade Black. And we're just going to put it on all of the lashes, like full lash. Alright, and that is what you should get for your lashes. Now for highlighter, you want to take the most like fleshy tone according to yourself that you have, and for me it would be in my busted, lovely and used Dream Glow palette, and I would be using this shade right here. That is the most fleshy tone I have for myself. And then I have a universal one, but this one is more skin tone. I'm going to be taking a fan brush and just put it on the cheeks, nowhere else, just your cheeks, so that way you look hydrated. And you're gonna want to blend it out to where it's like almost dewy and not just sparkly and glowy. So something like that. And if you have to, flip your fan brush over or get a new one and keep blending until you can't blend it anymore. So basically like that. And you don't want to put the highlighter anywhere else because it won't look as hydrated. But like if you wanted to, you could do like up in your temples of your head. But that is what you should get for a nice dewy hydrated look. And for the lips, you can do a lip gloss or something light pink. But I'm going to be taking this lip and blush serum and put it on the lips very lightly. So like a little dab on the back of the hand is all you should need. About that much, that big, I'm sorry. And it's like this really cute light pink. And you should get like this nude pinky finish, and it's like really soft and like really pretty and just natural looking. And you can set this if you want. I prefer to do that so that way you don't have to carry like a highlighter or your powder or whatever. So for the setting that we'll be doing today, we're going to be taking the e.l.f. Mist and Set Spray. And we're just gonna set our no makeup. 3 to 4 sprays should be just fine. You don't need to soak your makeup. And then dry it off, of course. Well, soak it into your skin, I guess. And then there you have it, your no makeup look. For when you want to be cute, but you don't want to be glammed out. And you can put your hair in a braid, half up, half down, or all the way down, or a really cute pony, or a low, sleek bun. But I'm going with my hair down because I don't feel like brushing my hair right now. And this is what you should get. And it's your final result. Remember, don't put too much highlight on, don't put too much anything on, because sometimes a no makeup look can be overdone and not done correctly, and this is what I do for whenever I don't feel like going completely glam, or I just want to look a little adorable and awake, and that's just what I do. And if you found this tutorial useful, let me know by liking the video or leaving a comment or both, which would be great. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye!